Right, we are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs won 3-0. I'm here with Amakosi. My sister, how do you feel about the game? And I'm
Feeling very happy. It's been long. We really deserve this. We really deserve. Thank you, Marcos. Thanks for everything. Thanks, Kwinika. Thanks, Kwinika. You were my star.
Yeah, he played very well, ne?
Thank you very much. You played very well.
No, thank you, my sister. So, when Angowako, what's your wish? Go. Okay, according to Wenane, Mopegile, MTN8 nodlala ne Sundowns. Nzodlala kanjani Mopegi?
It's a win.
It's a win, ne?
Especially we are here home.
Yeah.
It's going to be definitely a win.
Yeah.
I don't doubt that.
And if
From-
It's going to be only 2-0. I don't want much. Only 2-0.
2-0, then
2-0.
second round. And then
Then I'm going to score one goal there.
Yeah,
Then I'm fine.
Nice, man. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you.
combination there today. Very well.
Very well, ne?
Very well.
That's good. That's good. Thank you, my sister.